next question. It's been some time. It's been a year that you joined Reliance as a digital head.
Yeah.
And I understand that you've done some very exciting works as you stayed in Goa.
Yeah.
Like, if you want to discuss something, the interesting works that you've done in the first half of 2014, which you think that's very
Sure.
special, and why?
Sure. So what we've done, I don't think we've sort of done extremely brilliant, but I think I'll just try and enumerate some of the things that we've sort of done for a few of our brands. So I think we've done an extremely innovative campaign for Reliance Communications. So for the first time, we actually sort of co-branded ourselves with iPhone, which is probably one of the largest brands in the world, where we sort of had a category change communication, where we sort of made sure that the whole thing of a zero plan, where people could buy a phone at no cost at all. So we sort of did a really remarkable campaign for them and spent a significant amount of money using social, digital, and I think the largest amount of chunk of money was in digital actually. So that was a big learning for us, and I think Apple has gone on record to say the amount of sales they've had for the phones in India has been overwhelming because of the campaign itself. Post which we've done interesting campaigns in the financial space. We've done a lot of work with our mutual fund brand, so we've done a fair amount of interesting work with them. We've in the process of just finishing a very large campaign with our Reliance Life Insurance brand as well, where I think there was a fair amount of money being spent on television, but a very interesting, innovative concept of sort of taking native, taking contextual, taking mobile to a very different level. We just finished that campaign as well. As we talk, we're in the process of just planning out things again for the second leg of life insurance for a mutual fund. We're in the process of doing work for some other brands as well. So yes, it's been a good year with I think a few brands getting active, and I think there's a fair amount of work happening ahead as well.
What's your thought on mobile first, and any interesting work that you want to share that you at your end is doing with you?
So I think mobile has been something which I've been sort of following very closely. I personally am a firm believer that I think that's a space where brands will not be able to sort of not have a media plan, at least perhaps 2 years from now. It's already become the first screen of choice for a large segment of the target audience that marketers, brands want to talk to. So having said that, I think what do we do on mobile is the bigger question, because I think everyone is saying, let's do mobile.
Yeah.
So the fact is, what do? You just use as a typical advertising media where you just have banners playing out there and sort of do the usual, or do you get out there to sort of try and sort of push the envelope by doing something different, by creating innovative content on mobile? Do you sort of get out and make it the most sexy app? Do you do some video out there? So the fact is, I think the space is evolving. The good thing is, I think smartphones are no longer smart in terms of money, because you get them at a price point of 6,000 rupees. So today, for example, in tier 2, tier 3 cities, smartphones are a first choice to the younger segment of people as well. I think a lot of companies are trying very hard to make sure that the F and the T, which is the Facebook and Twitter, are embedded in the phone when they buy it itself. So there's no debate that social media and mobile are going to be a very, very large puller for the first batch of people coming onto mobile as well. So I think yes, the good days are ahead. I think we're trying very hard in Reliance, so I think make sure that we think smartly using mobile as a medium, whether therefore it means to sort of look at customer service, whether it means to sort of use it as a platform to sort of just connect with people, whether it's using social. So I think we're thinking very differently from that perspective as well, because we're clearly saying that yes, this is the space that people are going to speak to their brands.